Hello everyone and welcome back to Skincare and Beauty with Perkiperkins. Today I'm very excited to be back to YouTube because I know I've been gone for quite some time and I just kind of disappeared off the face of the earth, well at least to YouTube. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you guys know what's been going on, which I will come back with another video and letting you guys know a little bit of what's been going on the last couple months and why I disappeared. For today's video, as you can see by the boxes behind me, I'll be doing my June Boxycharm base box and Boxy Luxe unboxings. So if you're interested in seeing what I received this month in my Boxycharm PR, so just so you guys are aware, these are PR packages. They are gifted to me. I do not pay for these, but I do have my paid subscription still. Make sure you guys keep on watching. And before I go any further, don't forget you guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, select all in your notifications. This way YouTube will hopefully notify you the moment I do any uploads. I know many a times YouTube doesn't send those notifications out, so that's a little bit of a bummer. And if you guys do end up loving my video, I would appreciate if you guys give my video a thumbs up and hopefully a little comment down below on what your favorite item or box is or which one you hated the most. I would like to know. But anyways, let's get to it and let's start these unboxings and let's go. So as I mentioned, I received both the Luxe and base box from Boxycharm this month. I do have the premium box as well, but I'm going to open that on a separate video. I'm waiting for my paid subscription to arrive so I could do a battle of the boxes. And I have some comments on my PR, but yeah, so. And you are able to customize one item from the choices provided to us. And then every third month they offer Boxy Luxe, which Boxy Luxe is an upgraded box to the base box. So instead of paying the $25, you would pay basically $50. And this is US, so if you're in Canada, I think they charge a little bit more. And we get 8 to 9 full-size items in this box with the minimum retail value of, I think it's $250, but it's typically more than that. Yeah, so it's basically your choice. Like, do you want to get the base box, which is a little bit more affordable, or do you want to upgrade to the Luxe box? Typically for the Luxe box, there's always 1 or 2 items that is like an exclusive to the box. But in my opinion, you guys, if you don't have the money to upgrade to a Luxe box, because it's $50, if you can't afford to pay the $50, always keep an eye out for add-ons, because 90% of the time you're able to pick up those items you really wanted in add-ons, and they're very affordable most of the time. They're like, you know, up to 80% off. So I'm going to try to do this unboxing as fast as I can. I know one of my last unboxing videos, someone legit commented, stop talking so much, so I will try my best. Of course, our box says Hello Charmer, and the base box always has the red inside. This way you're not confused on what box you're getting. And we do get a little card, and it gives us all the items inside the box along with the variation number in the bottom. So this is the first item I received right here. This is the Aceology Overnight Lip Mask. I'm always down for a lip mask. This retails $19. So I've never heard of this brand, but it does say it's vegan and cruelty free, and it has their IG handles below. It has like one of those little twisty things. This reminds me of the other one we received. It has a very nice scent to it, and it's nice and thick, but not too thick. And it doesn't feel tacky. It actually feels kind of more of an oil. So I'm very excited to give that a go. So this is my next item right here. This product is from Brow Bar by Rema, the Brow Light Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter, retail $16. Oh, this is, so this, I thought it was a brow pencil, you guys. This is one of those like brow highlighter things. They're all right, but I'm not big on these personally, so I'm gonna put this back, put the caps back on and set it aside for a giveaway, or maybe give it to someone else. This is interesting. This is from KVD. It's the Dazzle Stick Eyeshadow, which retails for $22. I received shade Hail Surge. Not gonna lie, I've been tempted about these. I hope you guys could see this. Let me swatch it. It's like a rose gold, you guys. Very creamy. So I'm so excited. Like, this would have been perfect for me today. I'm excited for this. This guy right here is from Touch and Soul. It's called the Pretty Filter Gloated Makeup Palette. Retails for $34. And this is a brand new launch, and it's launching exclusively through Boxycharm. Sometimes Boxycharm does get some like new launch products, and I do think that's very neat. You know, because we're getting the exclusive, and I'm even more excited when it's makeup items. So this is the palette. Very cute packaging, plastic, you know. It says it's recyclable, has a 12-month shelf life. Oh, it does come with a nice little mirror right here. This is nice. I'm pretty sure, I hope you guys can see that, but I like how the shades are. So I personally like to, you know, mix the colors and stuff like that, and the spacing is decent enough where, because I use the more detailed brushes to do highlight when I do, that I can still dip my brush on the individual colors, or again swirl it for one shade. And let's see, and this feels so nice and creamy, so I'm very excited to try these out. So I'll be creating a tutorial using a lot of the products I received in my subscription box, just in case I don't post it on YouTube, you guys, because I know YouTube I haven't posted as much. I will definitely post on my community tab the Instagram link, because I will definitely have it on Instagram or TikTok. So I have those links down below for you guys to give me a follow. Now for my last item, this is from OPV Beauty. This is the Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for $40. This is very sturdy cardboard. It's very cute. It does come with a nice mirror right here. These are the shades, you guys. These are very beautiful right here. Love the variety of shades in this palette. This is a black-owned brand, if I remember correctly. So I'm pretty sure a lot of their products are geared for more, you know, deeper, richer melanin skin. For me, this is really nice because I can easily share it with my daughter, and this will work perfectly for her skin tone. Now for me, again, because this is meant for more darker melanin skin most likely, I will need like a base shade or something like that, which is not a big deal because a lot of times I actually use like my bronzers and stuff like that to set my eyes. But I love the beautiful rich colors. I don't want to mess it up until I take pictures. But like, these shimmers look so nice and they feel very creamy. And I don't see glitter, which is perfect. And I do see like a couple satin finishes as well. So I'm very excited to give this a go. So let's total up the box, you guys. So that's a total retail value of $171. Now that is a great price. So in my opinion, that's an amazing value. And again, especially for $25. Now, if this was my box that I would have paid for, I would have been very, very happy. Because I know I've seen a lot of other boxes being unboxed and they're very skincare heavy. So again, I love makeup and I'm glad when I get more of it in my subscription boxes. So now let's move on to the Luxe box. So as a reminder, you guys, if you guys want the Luxe box, this is an upgrade, which is a total of $50 every third month. And that means you get the big box versus the little box. So you only get one. But again, if you can't afford the upgrade, always keep an eye out for Boxy pop-up or add-ons, because majority of the time you can find those items you were really looking for. And here's our big old box. I got this big old palette on top. So this palette right here is from Ciate London. It says I Am a Woman palette, and it retails for $45. And it says it comes with 24 complimentary shades. So again, it does have a decent mirror, you guys. Now, so here are the shades, and I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but there's like some weird kind of pressing around there. Like, I'm not sure if it's the way that they press the pans or what, but just in case anyone else saw that in their palette. I mean, the colors are very pretty, other than the pressing issue. The colors are very, very pretty. It kind of reminds me of that Huda Beauty palette that everyone loves and I do own. I'll definitely you know, give this one a go because I actually skipped on Luxe this month. I just figured I'll do the add-ons, you know what I mean? These look really nice. I have tried other of the Ciate London palettes and I do enjoy the formula. So I'm very excited to give this guy a go. The next item I received, this is from Aromatherapy Associates, their Revive Body Gel. Ooh, I hope it's not washing it out, you guys. But this retails for $46. I'm cheap. I don't like spending that kind of money. I mean, I could smell it. It smells nice, but yeah, I think that's too pricey. This sucker is super locked in, you guys, so I'm not going to open it. But again, I do smell it. It smells nice. It has a 6-month shelf life. It says it's vegan, 100% natural blend, and sourced with care. Ooh, this item I love. So this is from Benefit Cosmetics, which you guys know I love and ride for Benefit. I'm part of the Benefit Pink Club. This is a $34 retail value and it's their Benefit Brow Styler. I actually like using the Brow Styler because it has the thicker pencil on one end and then it has a powder on the other. Now you want to be careful with the powder because that one, if you shake it, it actually releases the powder itself. But I will shape my brows, comb them out and stuff like that, and then fill it in with the powder. I literally had just run out of mine, both ends. It lasted me like 1.5 years. So I'm glad to get it. I got shade a 4.5, which is my normal shade. So I'm like, thank you, Boxycharm. You guys actually sent me my shade. But yeah, but this is how it looks like. And then again, it has one end. I feel this thicker pencil is actually really great in the sense that you can easily shape and sculpt your brows out, comb it out, you know, all the excess product. And then you come to this guy right here and then start dabbing it right on the areas you need the powder basically. So it's your 2-in-1. So I love that. This is a great value, you guys, right there. Next, this is another Boxycharm exclusive launch. This is the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream, and this retails for $64. This is part of the Say I Love You for Pride Month. And, you know, I love Dr. Brandt's products, so I'm very excited to try this out. This is what the packaging looks like. Now, I'm not going to try it right now because I have so many creams currently, so I'm going to just put this back in. But I will definitely be trying it out, and Dr. Brandt has so many amazing products that I know I'm going to love this guy right here. And again, for $64, and if you're a Dr. Brandt fan, this right here just paid for your box. Next, I received from Avanti. My camera's about to die, you guys, so I gotta hurry this up. This is their, I hope you guys could see that, the Avanti Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Replenishment Lip Serum. It retails for $122, you guys. I'm gulping. It says lip serum designed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to intensely hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels without feeling sticky. The lactic acid contributes to lightening the pigmentation and nourishing the lips effectively. So it sounds sort of like a lip plumper without being a lip plumper. Now this says it's $122, so I'm definitely gonna try this out because, you know, I'm older and I do have a lot of fine lines and wrinkles around my lip area. So I'm gonna try it out, see if it works, if it feels anything. I'll definitely give you guys a review on this bad boy, and if it does work, I'm gonna check it on Boxycharm add-ons because I'm sure this is gonna be like one of those $9 or $12 items. So let me know if you guys would like a dedicated video or just like a short video, you know, those 60-second videos. The next item I received is from NYS Collection. It's the Clarkson Avenue sunglasses, which retail for $40. I'm always down to get some sunglasses. Shoot, comes with a little pouch. These are just some black kind of simple glasses. It has a little bit of detailing right here. I mean, these feel kind of cheap, don't get me wrong, but it does say it's a $40 value. And personally, I don't mind. If I put my contacts on, many a times I'm always looking for my other glasses because my spare broke. So, and these actually fit my big ass head. So I'm pretty stoked about that. They look cute. So yeah, thanks Boxy. I'm usually not big into lifestyle items and subscriptions. That's kind of why I skipped Luxe this month. This is from AMNH Skincare, the Starry Collagen Eye Gel Patches, retail for $32. It says anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, and reduces dark circles. These look really, really cute. They have like little stars and stuff. And they do have a lot of liquid, so maybe on a get ready with me, I'll put these on as I'm doing my eye makeup. For my very last item, it's from NARS. Right here. This is the NARS Orgasm Blush. This particular blush shade from NARS, the Orgasm shade, this is like one of their highest selling blushes for NARS themselves. So I think it's pretty cool that I received it. It's definitely a shade I love. It's like that pink, soft pinky tone with a little bit of like an coral, and there is a little bit of a shimmer, but it's very soft in my opinion, because the other one I have gives you like a little bit of that glow within kind of vibe. This is a $30 blush, so definitely if you're a NARS fan, this is definitely worth it. Now let's total up our box before my camera dies, you guys. I just totaled everything up off camera since my camera decided to turn off on me for the last 30 minutes. I had to wait for it to cool down. So the total retail value of my Boxy Luxe was $413. Now, the Avanti lip treatment is the only thing I'm kind of questionable, because those are just really expensive products, but they do have like a cult following and people love their products. I just think they're way overpriced. I have enjoyed the products I've tried out in the past. I've tried their primers, moisturizers, stuff like that, but I just think they're way too expensive when there's so many other more affordable products that for me I see better, you know, results overall. But again, for a $50 box, it's still a $413 value. This box again, overall I think I would have been very happy. I would have been happy with it. Yes, there's other items out there that I've seen that were better. Like I would have loved to get the LMS cleansing balm because I love LMS, but I didn't get it this time, so I'm going to keep an eye out for Boxy add-ons. So let me know what you guys think about both boxes, and which box do you guys think was better of the two. Do you think you guys got a better value on the base box or the Luxe box? Because again, remember at the end of the day, when I think of value is which box are you to get the most use out of. It's not always based off monetary value. Yes, you got more money value wise from the Luxe box, but right now I think the base box, I'm definitely getting more value out of it because I'm going to use more of the products overall. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And don't forget, you guys, if you guys would like to sign up to Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link down below. If you guys would like to use it, I do make a small commission, but it really does help me out and my channel and my other platforms. But anyways, thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you guys are taking care, being safe, and I will catch you on the next one. Goodbye.